Hey guys, it's Lisa. I've been a tester with Ellie and Mac for about 1.5 years, and we've had a lot of questions about how to do a broad shoulder adjustment. So I thought I would do a quick tutorial so you can see how it's done. It's a lot easier than you think it is. All you need is some tape, a straight edge, a marking tool, a pair of scissors, and some scrap paper. And simply what you're going to do is you are going to get your pattern piece, cut it out, find about the middle of the shoulder area and give that a mark. This is about 1.5 inches for me. And then you're going to go down and measure about, I normally do 3 inches down from the top of the shoulder, and make another mark there. Then you take your straight edge and you simply connect the dots. And that gives you the line that you are going to cut. So you're going to cut from point A to point B, but you're not going to cut all the way through. You're going to leave a little hinge so that it is still attached, and you can simply swing it open to make your shoulder area larger, or if you need to make it more narrow, you simply bring it in. Next, you're going to take your scrap paper and put it behind your shoulder area, and you're going to measure. I normally do 3/4 inch for myself. You might need less, you might need more. It's simply, I'd probably start off with 1/2 inch and see how it works and go from there. So you're going to hinge out the shoulder piece. Like I said, I do 3/4 inch, which is about there, and then you simply tape it down. And I like to go all the way down so that it's taped nice and good. After you do that, you get your marker again and your ruler, and you simply connect the shoulder points and draw a line, okay? And this is going to give you your straight edge that your shoulder seam is going to be. And then I go back and just cut that whole piece out. Cut along that straight edge that you drew so that you have a nice straight shoulder seam. And cut out that arm seam again. And there you go. There you have it. So once you do the front or the back, I happen to start with the back first, you have to do the same thing to your front. So I'm going to go ahead and do that again so you can see it. You're going to measure the 1/2 point in your shoulder. You're going to measure down 3 inches, and then you draw the line between the 2 dots. Oh, that line didn't really show up. There you go. Take your scissors, drop over here, and give that a cut, but not all the way through. You want to leave your little hinge. Put your paper underneath that hinge. Put your paper underneath. Measure the distance. You want to widen it or lessen it. Just right about there for me. Tape it down. And then again, you connect the top of the shoulder to the bottom of the shoulder point, your 2 points, so you make a straight shoulder seam. Okay, that gives me my line. then you cut it up. And there you have it. You have your front piece and your back piece, and you did a broad shoulder adjustment. Now I find for my personal fit, I'm a little bit wider all the way around up here, that I tend to grade up, and then just under the arm scheme, I then grade to my actual size. That just gives me a little bit more room on top, so shirts aren't as tight fitting and I don't get the wrinkles right there. I hope this is very helpful.